All right, I got in my studio late today, and I'm not going to get a lot done today. I've also decided to take these clays to the Foundry on probably Thursday. Um, the my birthday's on Wednesday, and I'm turning 80 years old. I made it to 80. There was a time I didn't think I was even going to make it to this century. But I'm here, and I'm busy cutting clay. I'll be right back as soon as I get this done. I had to do it because I was running out of clay. If you're familiar with the uniform of the U.S. Cavalry back in the 1870s or 60s, you'd know what this was. But without that indication, I just wanted something on this that would act as a identifier as to what this is. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do. I could have this polished in bronze and it'll come out looking like that, but I don't know. I'll have to talk that over with the lady that's going to color this piece. There's a closer look of the cross sabers. I wonder if they go the other way. I'll have to check that out. Let's see. Do they go this way? I'll have to check which orientation these sabers are on the uniform. I got a feeling it's this way. Anyway, all right, be right back. All right, I've got some crevices to fill and little holes in his face that need filling. So I guess I'll go ahead and tell you what my schedule is going to be this week. I won't be here on Wednesday. I'm going to take that day and just enjoy my day. It's my birthday, and my gift to me will be taking it easy for the day. Now, there's a big crack right there in his neck. Just little imperfections that I need to smooth out. just a little imbalance on the chin. I had the right side of the chin or left side of the chin, whatever way you're looking at it, up a little higher than the other side. The two sides of a face is never the same, but it's not that different. Now, I don't know how much of this you're going to see, but I've got a real sharp division between the uniform and the collar of this jacket, and I've got to fill that in because I can't have that because they have to clean the investment out of all that those cracks and or crevices, and if I can't get them filled in, it makes it very difficult for them to clean it out. And the more time they take to clean it out, the more they charge me for casting the bronze. Okay, this is the last thing I'm going to do on it today. I'm going to hit it with some Roncinol lighter fluid just to smooth out the clay a little bit more. As I've said before, there's a property in Roncinol that has an effect on plastiline clay, and it melts it just a little bit. They use it at the Foundry for when they work on waxes, and it's a real handy tool to have. And it helps to have a real good brush. You don't want to have a cheap brush. You need to have a professional oil painter's brush, because they don't shed their bristles. You don't want to be trying to pick a bristle out of a real smooth area, because you'll just ruin it. So it's worthwhile to get real brushes, expensive ones, to help with your clay if you want to smooth it out. All right, that's my buffalo soldier so far. I think that crossed sabers down there is really kind of cool. I had the idea of the other day, and it's a good one. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.